Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha eSABC lihaye. Nanjengoko kuqatshelwa iveki yokukhusela abantwana, inkqubo iAsikhulume Let's Talk uza kube xovula kwaye nika ingqwalasela kumba wobuzali nongakhathalelwa kwabantwana kulandela amanani axhalabisayo okuxhatshazwa kwabantwana kweli. Ziliqela ke iziganeko nalapho amalungelo abantwana enyashwa kuquka ukuxhatshazwa ngokwesondo, ukulahleka ngelixa abanye bebulawa ngongenalisini. Kutshanje kubanjwe inciko enama-58 eDobsonville eSoweto nobekwizityholo zokuxhaphaza ngokwesondo intwazana eneminyaka eli-12 ukanti inkwenkwana eneshumi-11 kutyholwa ukuba yabulawa ngunina. Umbuzo ke umile ukuba manyathelo mani athathwayo ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko lwabantwana kweli.
The amount of child abuse, and not just by parents but by others as well, it's a lot and it's causing unnecessary trauma for the kids. I feel like there can be more done, I think, especially in a neighborhood situation.
Because umntwana wase next door wena ngeke umnake because awumazi.
As batswadi ha re lebelleng bana mo ba dlalang ko teng, ha re lebelle hore bana ba dlala le bo mang.
Engazathi nabazali kakhulu bengagcila ekutheni benakekela abantwana, ngoba singathi umntwana into yokunakekela kakhulu owentombazane. Yebo nabafana balidinga uthando nokunakekelwa lwethu, kodwa kakhulu kwabesifazane.
Ukuva banzi ngemasikilindele kule nkqubo sikhwebe umdidiyeli weAsikhulume Let's Talk uNokubonga Mngwenya. Kodwa ke kuqala embukeli sizawuthi sincokola naye. Nokubonga masibulise sikwamkele apha eSABC lihaye. Sibambe ngasibini ngexesha lakho.
Ngiyabonga Kholose, ngibingelele nembukeli ekhaya.
Njengoko uMzantsi Afrika uqaphela iveki yokhuselo okanye yabantwana, siyaqonda into yokubana zithe gqolo ukuxhaphaka iziganeko apho sibona amalungelo abantwana enyashwa. Sisandula ukuthetha nentatheli yethu noNhlakanipho esixelela ngebali elihlungu kakhulu lomntana othe wabe kanti udlwengulwa enguyise wakhe, umntu amthembayo. Ndiyafuna uqonda niAsikhulume Let's Talk ingaba mhlawumbe nigxile kwintoni kwi-Child Protection Week?
Angibonge Kholose, thine kuhlelo lethu kuleli viki, ngisho ngithi namuhla Nzambama sibuka kakhulu i-child neglect and parenting. Lokusho kona ukuthi nasiphuma siya ukukhulumisana nebantu ngaphandle nesiphinda sibona nema-cases la reportwako each and every day ebantwana labahlukubetekile. Siyabona ukuthi leli nani liyenyuka, and lomunye angathi mhlambe maybe anga-understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. I-Child Protection Week liviki lapho sibuka khona kuhlukubeteka nekuphatheka kwabantwana. Akusho ukuthi kufanele kube semakhaya kuphela, kepha emphakathini wonke. Thina sendani singumphakathi, thina sendani sibadali, ingabe bantwana sibaniketa kuvikeleka lokwanele yini?
Xa sijonga inkcukacha manani Nokubonga ziyathusa kakhulu. Kuthiwa unyaka nonyaka uMzantsi Afrika ufumana amatyala athe kratya ku-42,000, ingakumbi xa sizawujongwa kwi-rape cases eMzantsi Afrika. Ufumanise kule nto ithetha into yokubana kumaxesha amaninzi le nto izawuthethwa isikhaya ingakumbi ezilalini. Ufumanise into yokubana yenziwe ngumalume, yenziwe ngutata, kodwa ke kungayiwa emapoliseni. Ingaba mhlawumbe kuphando lwakho njengomdidiyeli nifumanise ntoni ngamatyala aye abikwe ingakumbi okuhlukunyezwa kwabantwana?
Yo, kunengile sikutholile Kholosa. Mawungathi uthatha kubuka kancane lawo labikwako macala mhlawumbe kusuka sekunemonakalo lomkhulu wendekile, akabikwa emacala ngisho kusacala uma babona lawo ma-signs ukuthi mhlawumbe kunemvana lohlukubetekile. Into lengafaka phakathi nema-social workers, because now siyabuka linani lema-social workers la eSouth Africa according to our research likhombisa ukuthi lincane kakhulu. Sikhona isidingo sokuthi angedwe abe khona dlala inzima yawo. Kunabothishela esikolweni lapho abantwana bachitha khona isikhathi kakhulu. Labo thishela labo ingabe bayakwati yini kubona uma ngabe kunemvana lo thikabetekile somehow mhlambe ngayo le abuse, ukuthi mhlambe angakhulumisana naye ambuto ukuthi are you okay, you look distant, you look like you are not okay today, you understand. Abothishela bona badlala yiphi inzima, ngabe bayakhona ukuthi baside la kufanele basida khona yini. Nasithi sithatha kubuka ema-cases lamanengi lesikhulumisane nabo bantu bawavetile afaka ekhathi wona lawo labawabika ngesikhaya, bathi asambeni siyokhuluma ngesikhaya bawafihle. I've had instances mina la ngiwabone khona from a place la ngikhulele khona it's not a personal experience but someone else's experience endaweni la kutholakala ukuthi umntwana sowuhlukubetekile khona enohlukubeta lilunga lemndeni lokuthi kuthumele isithombe lesingasikahle ngemalunga emndeni wena ungimake ekhaya uyifihla njani indzaba lapho umntwana ahlukubeteka khona kunekuthi umnikete lisito iquestion lenye lesingeke sathole ama-answers kuyo because ngaso sonke isikhathi baprefera kona lokuthi bafune ukuyikhulumisa esikhaya whereas lo mfana yena uyahlukubeteka akahlukubeteki kuphela emotionally but ihamba iyothinza nasengcondweni iperformance yomntwana ibanjani esikolweni uthi nasekadlala nalabanye abantwana ukhanza ukuthi so uyadi-isolate akabi free lo munye nge-experience yakhe uba sewuyayitayela le nto nasingabe sikhuluma nge-sexual assault uba sewuyayitayela le nto eve ungazi ukuthi into le kufanele ayende mihla nemalanga ayijwayele to a point yokuthi agcine athola nemntwana semncane some of these cases na ungathi uyabuka Kholosa kunebantwana labatholakala banebantwana kwabona at the age of 14 for an example babancane banjalo sebakwati ukuthi bangakhulelwa bathole bantwana babe sesigabeni la sebativa ungazi ukuthi kumbe seba right khona because now ungathi uyabuka some of these cases kusukela lemuva kulamanye ema-cases not all but kulamanye ama-cases kungukuthi lo mntwana usuka vele ahlukubetekile already sexually so into le kufanele ukuthi simphakathi wala kulelive si-engage sikhulumisane nalabanye bantu ukuthi kahle kahle emacala afana nalawo kufanele vele abikwe it doesn't
ngoba
matter
ninokubonga enithe nabamema enqubeni kuba siyaqonda into yokubana omnye umba otshisa ibunzi yindaba ye-DNA backlogs ngokweenkcukacha manani kuyatshiwo into yokubana zithe kratya kwi-132,000 i-DNA backlogs ingakumbi kwezomthetho abanye abantwana ufumanisa into yokubana xa baye enkundleni kuzawuthiwa ngamangesi umntwana upresentwa kwi-second trauma uxinzelelo lwengqondo luyanda kuba ngendlela iinkqubo eziqhutywa ngayo ingaba mhlawumbe ngobani bamemileyo enkqubeni ukuqinisekisa into yokubana lo mkhwa usityhulwa nengcambu
ngiyawuthanda mbuto wakho lo phakamisako Kholosa to our disappointment simeme i-Department of Social Development lekulitiko lesititshela ukuthi mhlambe ngilo lelingakhuluma kangcono nge-child protection ne-safety yebantwana. We invited uNeliswa Cekiso who's the director for child protection kuleyo department but ngema last minute bayasikhansela. How do we run then a show
bathi sisathu yintoni
abatholakali kokucala masikhulumisana nabo they had agreed ukuthi batoba nathi ehlelweni but nase kufanele ukuthi sibe nabo last minute they are cancelling so we also have uNonhlanhla Dlamini who is a supervisor ku child protection uvela lapha ku women and men against children abuse so we social worker khona lapha those two people we were expecting ukuthi mhlambe sikhulumisane nabo and engage kuleya panel ukuthi bakhone kuvetela umbukeli ekhaya nalo langanalo lwadi ukuthi akhone understand ukuthi leli viki leli libaluleke kangakanani labantwana lesikhuluma ngabo laba balikusasa lethu mhlambe nje sikhuluma kune president somewhere that is being assaulted njengoba sikhuluma that is being murdered njengoba sikhuluma some even going missing it's a serious issue lekufanele ukuthi siyibuke sonke as a country. So we are very disappointed they are not coming on board but I think we'll make a plan.
Izikhila lanto inkulu ke lonto leyo nokubonga masibambe ngasibini ngexesha lakho sakube sibukele iAsikhulume namhlanje mbukeli besidlana indlebe nawe umdidileyi wenkqubo iAsikhulume Let's Talk unokubonga Mgwenyama.